Welcome buyers to the Blockchain Buyer channel. Today we're going to talk about blockchain domain names and unstoppable domains. So really quick, let's look at the unstoppable domains this week getting ready to happen. Now you were with me last week when I got ecocar.crypto, and now this week we have coming up refinance.crypto, mortgage.crypto, houses.crypto, and condos.crypto, all going for $100,000 per name. So what else do they have on here, and what you need to look out for? By the way, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and come up with your own decisions for what it is that you're trying to do if you decide to move on buying one of these crypto domains. Anyway, we got lease.crypto. That's going to be a good one. We got kitchens.crypto. I've got an idea for that, but I'm not going to be getting kitchens.crypto. Are you? Then we get into the longer names. I'm not really into longer names, but I know that somebody's in here and they're going to do something with these long names. I'm really excited for them. But I like relocation.crypto. I like names that are like really short, really easy to just remember the whole name. Then you got townhouses.crypto, yard.crypto, and now we're getting down to a more manageable price for us beginning unstoppable domain flippers out here. All right. Then basements.crypto. That's a nice one, actually, for going for only 1,000. Basements.crypto is not bad at all. All right. Then rooftop.crypto. If that was going for less, that would be a picker for me. That would be one I would definitely pick up. Look at this. They only have two $500 crypto domains on this list. So all of these domains this week are pretty up there. These last two, you have 12 hours and 33 minutes to get it together, get everything ready, and get ready for the countdown. Remember what I said last week. If you want something, watch it, wait for it to come up, and as soon as the opportunity is there, take it. Definitely, I like office rentals and I like Vegas property. So these two seem like really good .crypto names for us beginners. So people, I cannot stress this enough. Put yourself in a position where you can take at least 15 minutes aside if you were, say, getting these bottom two or any one of these, and make sure you're waiting when that countdown ticker hits 3, 2, 1. So that you can press that button and you can get yourself some good crypto names. I'm going to actually search a domain name because someone was asked, how do I get a domain name? Well, I'm going to type in a random domain name. Let's talk, since we're on the subject of property and real estate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type out Georgia property. Oh no, Georgia home. That sounds so much nicer. Georgia home. And then don't do a .com. Georgia home is selling for $40. You can get Georgia home.crypto for $40 and never have to pay a GoDaddy fee every year anymore. So get yourself Georgia home before I do. I'm getting it now. No, I'm just playing. You can back out. Looking for a good buying opportunity. Let me just pull one last one up. Let me look for blockchain buyers. Let's see. Up, blockchain buyers. Blockchainbuyers.crypto is taken, but blockchainbuyers.zil is not. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that up right now. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.